Hello friends, welcome to MS Technologies. So we are going to start new Python online batch. It is fast track batch. Fast track in the sense we are going to complete the course within 15 days. Daily I'm going to take 3 hours session. So generally in normal days we'll take the session 1 hour. So but in this fast track batch I'm going to take the session 3 hours. 15 into 3, 45 hours. In 45 hours I'm going to complete the session, complete the course. So you guys will get complete core and advanced Python for developing any web application. Whatever the concepts are required, everything you will get in this course. Here you will get all different types of data structures, and here you will get OOPS concepts, multi-threading concepts, exception handling, file handling, regular expressions, web scraping, PDBC, and other concepts. So many other concepts you guys will get in this batch. Again, I'm telling it is completely fast track. The course duration is 15 days, daily 3 hours session. 15 into 3, 45 sessions. 45 hours I'm going to complete the course. Here we are planning for free demo on 17th 6th 2020 morning 9 AM IST. 17th 06/2020 morning 9 AM IST. If you want to get more information, please contact to this number 953853527. This is a WhatsApp number. You guys just message to this number, will provide the required details. Again, I'm telling demo date 17th/06/2020, time morning 9 AM IST. For contact for demo purpose or any other information, you guys can contact to this number 953853527. For enrollment purpose, if anybody wants to enroll right here, so this is the mail ID mstechnologies0824@gmail.com, and this is the WhatsApp number 953853527. Whoever have interest, you guys can able to enroll. Just give a message to this number. I will provide the details. Here in description, I'm going to share the link, demo link. By using that link, you guys can able to join for the demo session on 17th/06/2020. In description, I'm providing Zoom ID. By using that Zoom ID, you guys can able to join for the demo. Demo date 17th/06/2020. I am going to share the Zoom link in description. You guys can able to join for demo on 17th/06/2020. Here I am going to cover complete Python, core and advanced Pythons in 15 days. Daily 3 hour session, 15 into 3, 45 hours I am going to take. Thank you guys.